Hello guys. Today I'm going to tell you about my daily routine. The first thing I do every morning is wake up early. I really enjoy mornings because my brain feels more energetic and I can focus much better. That's why I usually do the most difficult tasks in the morning. After I wake up, I brush my teeth, wash my face, and go to the kitchen. I make breakfast. I usually eat scrambled eggs and drink a glass of water. Sometimes I also make a cup of coffee or tea. I believe that healthy food is very important because it gives us energy for the whole day. That's why I try to eat healthy meals as often as possible. After breakfast, I get dressed, choose my clothes for the day, and leave the house. I work in an office 5 days a week. My working day lasts for 8 hours. The first 4 hours are usually the most productive. During this time, I answer emails, solve difficult problems, and work on my main tasks. I always try to finish the hardest work before lunch because my concentration is much better in the morning. After 4 hours, I take a 1-hour lunch break. I eat something, drink some water, and sometimes go for a short walk outside. A small break helps me relax and restore my energy. After lunch, I usually have a meeting with my colleagues. We discuss our projects, share ideas, and plan the next steps. Then, I continue working until the end of the day. At 6 o'clock, I finish work. Before I leave the office, I write down my tasks for the next day. It helps me stay organized and saves time the following morning. When I get home, I usually take a short break and have dinner. Sometimes, I don't finish all my work at the office. If that happens, I continue working at home for a while because it's quieter and I can focus better. In the evening, I go for a 30-minute walk. Walking helps me relax, clear my mind, and reduce stress after a busy day. When I come back home, I take a shower or a bath and spend some time planning my life. I like writing down my goals and thinking about what I want to achieve in the future. I also study English every day. I read books, watch YouTube videos, practice speaking, and learn new vocabulary. I believe that practicing a little every day is much better than studying for many hours only once a week. Besides English, I also learn new skills related to my profession because I want to improve my qualifications and become better at my job. Even on weekends, I try to stay productive. I spend some time learning something new, watching content in English, reading books, or planning the next week. Of course, I also make time to relax and spend time with my family and friends because having a good work-life balance is very important. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I hope I'll see you soon. Bye.